quick rapid fire for you.
Yes.
Okay, to begin with, if you could describe yellow train as an emoji, which one would it be?
Sunshine.
What's the most unexpected joy you've experienced as a founder?
I think the love that I receive from children every morning. That's something that I never knew when I started. That was going to be a big part of my life.
If you could relive one day at Yellow Train, which day would it be?
Okay, this was the first day of school this year when it was pouring, and then suddenly I rang the bell and I said all of us come out and we all played in the rain and went home wet. I think I'd like to do that.
This is so nice. Okay, what's a fun fact about the school that most people don't know?
Okay, I think people don't know that any big or important festival in the school, it will always rain. Whether it is summer or spring or winter. And when we opened the school, there were 2 rainbows that graced the occasion.
All flashes. Nice. If you could invite any fictional character to teach a class, who would it be?
Fictional character. Zorba. I love Zorba the Greek. And Zorba is a man, he's feral, wild, he is the Centauri, and he's nothing philosophical, grand, profound about him, and yet I think the children would just fall in love with Zorba.
And what's the most creative idea a student has come up with at Yellow Train, basically?
I don't know if it is a creative one, but the one that's very close to my heart is when the Boogie was going to come to school, a child said, we should write to Tetsuko Kurenagi, the author of the book, and invite her to come. So we wrote to her and we had her write back to us in Japanese. And I think that idea for me is very special. Because she said it, we did it, and of course,
It's okay. And if you could add one magical element to the school, what would it be?
if it's just about imagining it, I would like a little river in the school.
Okay. What's your go-to way to celebrate a student's achievement?
Okay, I think what we do is we keep these things really small, warm and personal. So what I would do is make a card, write something meaningful and look at the eye and offer it to the child.
We should go back old school. And if Yellow Train had a theme song, what would it be?
It would be I Have a Dream. Not just ABBA or Martin Luther, but I think dream is the essence of Yellow Train.
And what's the best piece of advice a child has given to you?
I think children don't offer advice like that in words, but in their living, I think the advice that I receive from them is that the small moments are what make up life. That I receive from them.
Great. Thank you.